Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make a channel inside your Discord server private to restrict access to it, for example. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the Discord application, for example, on a desktop computer, access your server, and after that navigate to the channel you would like to restrict the access to. So let me go with that voice channel here, the general channel. So there are two different ways how you can make these channels private. One way would be to simply edit the permissions or accessibility for already created channels. To do that, click into the gear icon of the given channel, and after that head over to permissions in the top left corner and here enable private channel. You can also go a bit more in depth here and add members or roles who will be given access to this channel. You as the admin or server owner, of course, will automatically be given access to the given channel, which should be pretty self-explanatory, but you can also assign roles and specific members and make them or give them exceptional permissions to access the channel. If you don't do this, guys, anyone from outside that from these roles or members or that list won't be able to join or to view the channel as long as it's set to private. So you may disable the private feature if you like. So that's one option. Don't forget to save your changes, of course. Let me do that really quickly. The other option would be, guys, to simply create a completely new channel and set it private directly when creating it. So let me do that with an example text channel by clicking to this plus button here. And after that, you'll be given the opportunity to create your channel, select your channel type, give it a name, and so on and so forth. And as previously mentioned, guys, here you will be given the opportunity to set the created channel as private so that only selected members and roles will be able to view and to access this channel. So toggle it on here to the right, and that's it. That's how it works, guys. So let me click off here, close the window. That's how it works. That's how you make channels private in your Discord server and PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.